Hello guys, this is Lei. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how I made this beautiful floor mirror. Let's get started. For today's project, I reused a Walmart mirror from previous project. To prepare the board, I used the 12-volt project board from Dollar Tree and the foam board from Dollar Tree as well. Next, I want to show you the LED light strip I used for this project. You can check more details in the description box below if I'm interested. The next step is to lay out the LED light strips. As you can see in the video, it is pretty simple to do. The one I used in my project actually is pretty long. I had to cut off roughly around 6 feet to fit into the length of the mirror. The next step, I want to show you how I used the gift tissue from Dollar Tree to make the cloud top of the mirror. This tissue is very thin and kind of transparent to the light, and also very easy to work with. Basically, you can randomly wrap it into a ball shape and glue it onto the board using hot glue gun. This step is also very easy. It didn't take me very long time to finish the whole mirror. Now let's check out the final product. This is how the mirror looks without turning on the LED light. And this is how the mirror looks when the LED light is on. It is very beautiful, right? This is how the mirror looks during the night. Feel free to let me know your thoughts on this mirror. If you are new to my channel and also like my video, please don't forget to like and subscribe. It will help a lot to grow my channel. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.